echoes of the cosmic past. Mystics carved in the stars we see, a call to rise above the flames. Seraphim guard the celestial gates, chanting hymns of the astral fates. Blood lines forging sacred fire, seek the path to realms higher. Through the long time we soar, guided by the rules of the Lord. In the halls where shadows speak, secrets burn within the weak. Cross of the arcane, rise from the dawn. Through the endless night we carry on. Echoes of wisdom, voices of old, embrace the fire that fades on. Feel the wisdom of the celestial gates, chant the hymns of the astral flames. Blood lies forth in sacred fire, seek the path to realms higher. Through the veil of time we soar, guided by the rules of law. In the halls where shadows speak, secrets burn within the weak. Sons of the arcane rise with the dawn. Through the endless night we carry on. Echoes of wisdom, voices of soul, embrace the fire that fades unfold. Rings of fate through the temple doors, chanting hymns of forgotten wars. Bound by light and the curse of time, lost in scriptures, lost in rhyme. We march beneath the crimson moon, through the halls of the Teflon stone. Guided forth by the hand of fate, into the arms of eternity's gates. Through the veil of time we soar, guided by the roots of law. In the halls where shadows speak, secrets burn within the weak. Sons of the arcane rise with the dawn. Through the endless night we carry on. Echoes of wisdom, voices of soul, embrace the fire that fades unfold. O luz eterna, guide us beyond through cosmic dreams, through ages long gone. O the maker of the arcane sight, unveil the truth in eternal light.